Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to switch Google Docs to Pageless mode for an endless canvas scrolling experience. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Go to the top menu bar and click on File. Scroll down through the drop-down menu and click directly on Page Setup near the bottom. A configuration pop-up window will appear on your screen showing two main tabs at the top: Pages and Pageless. Click directly on the Pageless tab to select the continuous scrolling view layout. You can also customize your workspace by clicking on Background Color and choosing a custom background shade for your Canvas screen. Click the blue OK button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up window to apply the changes. If you want every new document to open in Pageless view automatically, click Set as Default before clicking OK. Page breaks and page numbers will instantly disappear, giving you an expandable, endless canvas layout that dynamically adjusts images and tables to fit any screen size. To revert back to standard pages at any time, simply reopen File, select Page Setup, click the Pages tab, and tap OK. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.